Welcome to my channel Luxury Car001 underscore, where the future of automotive luxury meets raw power and innovation. Today, we're diving into something that has the car world buzzing with anticipation, the 2026 V12 Tesla Cyber. Yeah, you heard that right, Tesla and V12 in the same sentence. Let's break it all down. For years, Tesla has been the face of electric innovation, but the 2026 Cyber takes things to a whole new level. Imagine a vehicle that combines the elegance of a high-end supercar with the brutal force of a V12-inspired electric powertrain. The Cyber isn't just a truck anymore, it's a statement. A machine that rewrites what we thought electric vehicles could be. And no, it's not a traditional V12 engine. It's Tesla's own creation, 12 electric motors working in perfect harmony, each dedicated to maximizing torque, control, and sheer speed. From the outside, the 2026 Tesla Cyber still embraces that iconic, angular, cyberpunk-inspired design, but now with a more refined finish. Think lightweight titanium alloy body, active aero panels, and digital camouflage paint options that adapt to the environment. Tesla has gone all in on making this machine not just powerful, but visually unforgettable. Step inside, and you're greeted by a fully AI-integrated cabin. Forget knobs and switches, everything is controlled by voice or intuitive gesture systems. The steering wheel, optional. You can drive manually, or let Tesla's new AutoDrive X system take over. With Level 5 autonomy, the Cyber can navigate cities, highways, and even off-road terrains without you lifting a finger. But let's talk numbers. The V12 electric configuration pushes out a mind-blowing 1,400 horsepower. 0 to 60, just under 1.8 seconds. Top speed, electronically capped at 215 miles per hour to preserve battery integrity. And get this, thanks to Tesla's new graphene-based battery tech, you're looking at over 700 miles of range on a single charge. Plus, the new hypercharge port gives you 80% battery in under 10 minutes. Tesla didn't stop at speed and power, they've added smart terrain mapping, drone deployment from the rear bed, and even a built-in survival mode that includes solar panels, water filtration, and satellite connectivity. It's not just a car, it's your mobile command center. Pricing is expected to start at around $250,000, which puts it right in the league of luxury hypercars. But Tesla isn't marketing this just to the elite, they're pushing it as the ultimate fusion of performance, technology, and off-grid independence. This is for the tech billionaires, the adventure seekers, and the die-hard Tesla fans who want the best of everything in one bold, insane package. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 V12 Tesla Cyber the future of luxury performance? Or has Tesla gone too far with this sci-fi vision? Drop your thoughts in the comments, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned right here on Luxury Car001 underscore for more deep dives into the wildest machines on the planet. Catch you in the next one.